Software Spring. Presents. How to use map in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the map function to map a value in an array to another value. Let's get started with an intro to the map function. Map maps a value in an array to another value using LAMBDA. LAMBDA is an argument of map and a custom function. LAMBDA has named arguments and a formula expression. What is the syntax of the map function formula? The syntax is: here is an example. Array 1 is the first array, each element of which is mapped to another value. Array 2, Array 3, and other arrays are optional. LAMBDA is a custom function and a key argument of map. The function is applied to each element of the array. These are named arguments. This is a formula expression that returns the maximum value in each quarter and year. Key point: the LAMBDA should have as many name arguments as the number of arrays passed to it. Moving forward, here is an objective of using the map function to get maximum sales revenue data in each quarter of each financial year. Alright, we are all set to type the map function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, M, A, and select map. For array 1, select this range, and type comma. For array 2, select this range, and type comma. For array 3, select this range, and type comma. Now, we have to nest the LAMBDA function inside the map function. Type L, A, M, and select LAMBDA. Type these three name arguments, one each for the three arrays passed to LAMBDA, and type the formula expression. Type 3 closing parenthesis. The final formula is LAMBDA compares this value with this, and returns the maximum of the three values. LAMBDA repeats the above procedures for each element of the three arrays. Press enter. There you go. Map has returned the maximum sales revenue in each quarter of each of the three financial years. Quick review. Map maps each array value into another value returned by LAMBDA. Map function formula is: LAMBDA is a custom function. It should have as many arguments as the number of arrays passed to it, and have a formula expression. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.